Hi guys, good morning. Oh, I miss you guys so very much. I miss you guys so much. I miss seeing y'all and talking to y'all and hearing y'all laughing and all of that and playing at recess and all those fun things and the discussions we have in family circle, all of those things. I really, really miss that and I really wish I had that right now. But we're gonna make the best with what we have. Okay, so I created a video earlier, but I thought I was recording myself, but I wasn't actually recording myself. But that's just part of the learning process for me. So all of this is new for all of your teachers. And we know it's new for you too, so we'll just take it one day at a time and one problem at a time, troubleshoot one problem at a time, and we will be just fine. Okay, so what I wanted to do this morning is go over the peak of the week. I wanted to show you the reading that's assigned for this week, and I wanted to show you the anchor chart, and I think there was something else, but I'm forgetting it now. But let's get started, okay? So first we're going to go to the peak of the week. All right, so the peak of the week is right here. So this is going to let you know what's expected for this week. And this is really good for your parents to see as well so that they're kept in the loop. So for ELA, you will have word study, reading workshop, and writing workshop. For math, Miss Hicks is going to talk about the peak of the week for math, and for science, Miss Cantu will talk about that part. For math, if you are in pre-AP, you will have a different peak of the week for math, okay? So let's start with word study. I'm just going to go over it very quickly. So word study, basically you're spelling words. What you're going to do is on Monday, well, every day you'll have a task, okay? So Monday you'll just circle the syllables, okay? And we remember what syllables are, like recording, okay? So every time you can clap is a different syllable, okay? Tuesday you're going to make a word search. Wednesday you're going to find these words in books or magazines. Thursday, you're going to ask your parents what the words mean and you can write it down. Friday, you're going to write an acrostic poem with each word. And the final product or final expectation is that you will know how to spell these words by the end of the week. Okay, so let's go up, scroll back up, reading workshop. So for this week, you'll have just one reading for the week, but we'll be interacting with the text in different ways throughout the week. The skill of the week is inferencing. So throughout the week, we'll be working on inferencing, okay? So Monday, you'll use a graphic organizer. Tuesday, explain the inference using text. Same thing for Wednesday. Thursday, you're going to write an inference based on a specific paragraph. And Friday, you're going to complete the multiple choice questions. Now, the reading has the multiple choice questions like right underneath it like it normally does. So don't do those questions until it's Friday, okay? And your final product will be, the part that's going to be graded is the multiple choice questions that's right underneath the reading, okay? So let's go to the writing workshop. So writing workshop is going to be similar to what we've been doing in class. One skill that we're going to work on this week is subject-verb agreement. So, and also adding details. So on Monday, today, what you're going to do is just write about what you have done since school has been out. Write about how your life is a little different, you're doing unusual things, what's a little strange, or things that you didn't have to do before that you now have to do, or now have to think about, okay? Tuesday you're going to revise, Wednesday you're also going to revise, but for two different things, and when Tuesday and Wednesday gets here, I will let you know how to revise for each of those days. Thursday you're going to edit, and then Friday you're going to finalize, so your final product will be the completed writing piece. Okay, so that is the peak of the week for the week of March 23rd to March 27th. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this. Okay, so this is what the reading looks like. Okay, let me see if I can go back up. Let's see. Okay, so the title is called Home is Where the Logs Are. Okay, now like I was saying earlier, there are some questions right after the text, don't answer those questions until it's Friday, okay? Because those are not due until Friday, okay? And for today, you will have this posted up and everyone will have their own copy now. I was having trouble with that before where, you know, everyone was going to have to share the same copy, but I figured out how to do this. So Monday, today, this week we are reviewing how to make inferences. Remember, when you make an inference, you think about what the text says and what you know about what the text says. So when you put those together, you can figure out the information the author has not given, okay? So I want to show you this anchor chart. It's kind of like, let me see if I can get it, if I can bring it down. Kind of like the one we had in class. Actually, I kind of copied this one. So this making inferences. So it's really when authors of books don't tell everything about characters and events, and readers have to use story clues and background knowledge to make an inference. So I really like this visual right here. Oops, I lost it. Let me go back. Where it's text clues, schema, which is your background knowledge. When you put those two together, you're able to make an inference, okay? So going back to the assignment for today, for example, the text says, Billy helped his sister off the ground. You think to yourself, I know people who help are kind. My inference, when I put those two together, is that Billy is a kind human. Okay? So that's what you're going to do with these sentences here that are from the text. Okay, you're going to read the sentence, write down what you know, and when you put those two together, you'll make your inference. Okay? And that will be your assignment, your reading assignment for today. So I talked about word study. Oh, I will supply the word study words as well. We talked about the reading. This is what the reading is looking like, the assignment. And for your writing, like I said, it is going to be for you to write about what's been going on since school has been out, okay? If y'all have any questions at all, please text me on Class Dojo, email me, or even type the question out on the main page of the Google Classroom so that, or the main screen of the Google Classroom so that everyone can see your question. Because sometimes other people have the same question and they might be able to get an answer just from seeing your question, okay? If y'all have anything else you want to say, any other more riddles that y'all want to share, that would be great. Love reading your riddles, love that you guys are making me think hard. I really miss you guys, and I really hope that when all of this is over, we can all be just reunited and talk about everything that went on and how, you know, grateful we are for each other. All right, see you guys. Bye. Have a great afternoon. I mean, a great morning. It's really Sunday night for me. That's why. Never mind. Bye, guys.